Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Sand dabs are a hidden gem for quick, delicious meals, offering a delicate, sweet flavor that's truly versatile. These small, flat fish are remarkably easy to prepare, making them perfect for weeknight dinners or even special occasions. You'll love how quickly they cook up, delivering a satisfying and elegant dish with minimal effort. This guide will make cooking them simple, ensuring a delightful culinary experience every single time. Preparing sand dabs is remarkably simple and fast, requiring just a few quick steps. First, gently pat the fish completely dry with paper towels. This ensures a beautiful, crisp texture when they cook. Then, lightly dredge each fish in seasoned flour. A blend of salt, pepper, and a touch of paprika works wonderfully. This thin coating locks in moisture and helps create that irresistible golden crust. Pan-searing is undoubtedly the quickest way to cook sand dabs to perfection, giving them a delightful crispness. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of olive oil or butter until shimmering. Carefully place the seasoned fish in the hot pan, being careful not to overcrowd it. Cook for just 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn a beautiful golden brown and flake easily. Baking offers a hands-off, healthier alternative for cooking sand dabs, perfect for when you need a little less fuss. Simply lightly oil a baking sheet and arrange your seasoned fish in a single layer, ensuring even cooking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and then bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. The fish should be opaque throughout and easily flake with a fork when ready. Fresh lemon juice and fresh parsley are classic, perfect pairings that truly elevate the delicate flavor of sand dabs. A squeeze of lemon brightens the taste, while parsley adds a fresh, herbaceous note. Serve your perfectly cooked sand dabs immediately for the best taste and texture, perhaps alongside some roasted asparagus or a simple green salad. Enjoy this quick, delicious, and effortlessly elegant meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.